Welcome to my channel, my name is Little Boy, and today I'm gonna share with you how to synchronize audio and video on Final Cut Pro. After years on YouTube watching long Final Cut Pro tutorials, I wish that someone had made a channel like this so I could learn from quality content that was straight to the point. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and watch this video until the end so you can learn as much as you can. My goal is to give you the tools to bring your editing skills to the next level. First thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna select the video from my camera and the audio from my iPhone. Double click and you're gonna go synchronize clips. You're able to change the name if you want and change the event area if you need. Press OK and you're gonna create this compound clip. You're gonna drag or press Q to import to your timeline. Double click to check and you're gonna be able to see the audio volume are synced. I'm just gonna cut the area that I don't need, Command B, and delete the areas, and I'm just gonna drag this one so we can just have the area that we want. Looks very good for me. I'm just gonna bring it down, the audio from the camera, and I'm just gonna bring the volume up a little bit from my phone just to make sound a little bit better. I'm gonna go back, and this way you have a very nice sync video from your phone in case you record externally from your phone or you don't have a nice mic for your camera. I'm gonna share with you how to synchronize audio and video on Final Cut Pro. Thank you very much for watching this video, but this is just a little part of editing. If you want to bring your editing skills to the next level, I have a playlist full of Final Cut Pro tutorials just for you. Consider subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so you know every single time that I post a new tutorial. Follow me on social media and I'll see you in the next video.